Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to save your game in Dude Theft Wars. If you want to save your progress in Dude Theft Wars, then the first thing to do is to launch open the game, and then once you're inside the main dashboard, go ahead and start your game. I'm just going to start a single player game. While you're inside the game, if you want to save your progress manually, then all you need to do is to find your home, enter your home, and in the living room you will be able to see the save option. Go ahead and walk past through it and your game will be saved. If you want to manually save your game, then you'll need to go ahead and tap open your mobile phone, which is located on the left corner, and once you're inside your mobile phone screen, click on the save game button. To save your game manually, this will work when you are away from home and you'd like to save your progress manually as well. So that's how you can easily save your game or your progress in Dude Theft Wars. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.